2 hours from Hanoi is Vietnam's most relaxing and beautiful region, Ninh Binh. Lazy rivers wind around karst limestone formations. Hoa Lu is a proper town within the region, and you want to stay just outside of town to the west, within a few miles of the Trang An complex. There's several homestay and ecolodge options, but I'm flying over the one you want to try and book. Why, you ask? Let's take a look. It's quiet. The views are incredible. Juan and the staff ensures everything is to your liking, including transportation to and from Hanoi if needed. Seriously, they take care of everything at A Riverside Ecolodge. And I know what you're thinking, and the answer is yes. The paddleboards are for guests, and of course, I took a spin around the neighborhood. At night, it's incredibly quiet, and for family or solo travelers, incredibly safe. Also for guests, bicycles. This area is made for bicycling. Within a 15-minute ride, you can be to Trang An and Hoa Lu, and with a few more pedals, the Hang Mua complex with walking paths and limestone cliff hikes. The paths at Hang Mua can get very crowded, so arriving early on weekdays is helpful. The views are completely worth the climb. Some light scrambling is required towards the top, so be sure to have proper footwear. You can even see the Trang An boats from here. But for now, back to Hang Mua. The grounds are spacious and peaceful. If you're not up for hiking, there's plenty to enjoy without a climb. Another nearby location with historical significance, the Hoa Lu ancient capital. When Vietnam first gained independence in the 10th century, this was its capital, the first capital. This is a large complex and can easily occupy more than the hour I gave it. In fairness, I got distracted. Even if you skip out on everything but the scenery, the Ninh Binh area is worth it just to enjoy the sights and sounds of nature from a bicycle or a walk. The peace and unique limestone beauty will not disappoint.